Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, there is indeed something going on with the Patch Tuesday updates, but it seems to affect only Windows 11 24H2. Once again, 24H2, I don't know, it's plagued with problems. It's I don't know, cursed somehow. So a lot of users that have gone to Windows 11 24H2 I've noticed a host of different things. First of all, in the update itself, a lot of people, more and more, are showing that their update, KB5053598, is actually getting stuck at various percentages and rolls back and stops and gives various error messages without installing. The other problems that some have noticed is that you actually patch your Windows 11 24H2, and when it actually starts, it gets a blue screen of death. And so you can't boot, you can't go into your system because all you get is a blue screen. So that's also a percentage of people that have noticed this, and the Feedback Hub, they have mentioned it. Which is really that's kind of a worst case scenario, because it's really you gotta go into safe mode and try to remove the update. And last but not least, another problem is of course we have the remote desktop version. If you have a pro version and so on, you have the remote desktop capability where you can go and make sure that you connect to another PC that way. People have been mentioning that since that update on 24H2 this week, the remote desktop connections actually disconnect on their own. Sometimes disconnect, reconnect. Sometimes they just kind of hang on and freeze there trying to connect. So we know that one of the fixes for security has to do with the remote code, the remote desktop. So did that update go wrong? Was not tested enough, and it creates issues with the remote desktop connections. So definitely, for now, what we see is really 24H2, which seems to be a cursed version of Windows 11. So if you have any issues with 24H2, installs of updates, or anything, let us know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.